Hey, what's up guys, this is Random Zaran showing you like sing Mahakam and so heal something. Sorry no. Make my heart your home. Come and be everything I am, Lord. I know. Search me through and through. My heart becomes home for you. Let me make my heart your home. Me everything I am, Lord, I know. Hurt me through and through. My heart becomes a home for you. Home for you. Ooh, a home for you. And everything I do, open up a door for you and come through. And my heart becomes place where you wanna be. Come and make my heart your home. Be everything I am, Lord, I know. Search me through and through, till my heart becomes a home for you. A home for you. A home for you. Yeah, yeah. And everything I do, open up the door for you. In my heart beating, raise where you wanna be. Come and make my heart, you make it your heart. Come and be everything I am, Lord, I know. Search me through, my heart becomes a home for you. A heart becomes a home for you. A heart becomes a home for you. Yeah. Home for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you to like and hope you to enjoy my tune today. I want to subscribe my YouTube today and thank you for watching.